When you were in criminal court, you had a series of run-ins and challenges from the public defender's office. What did that experience teach you, or how does that relate to this larger idea that you've learned something from judging?
That experience, which was in the year 2000, taught me that, number one, lawyers are supposed to advocate vigorously for their clients. Number two, lawyers in the public defender's office, by and large, are extraordinarily effective and good lawyers. They are, the word is zealous in the representation of their clients. Number three, they're going to push as hard as they can to get the results they want. Number four, that doesn't mean that they're always right. And my concept of managing a courtroom is to be fair, effective, and efficient for both sides, to give each party a fair trial. Occasionally, that means I came in conflict with one or more attorneys. If you want to call it a debate about how things should go, that's fine. I don't shy away from the debate. I don't give up my conviction of how things should be just because somebody thinks differently. I respect their view. But finally, on a lot of things, the judge is going to be the one who makes the decision. I made the decisions. Occasionally, people were unhappy about it. I understand that. And they have the remedies they have.
And you were reassigned, and were you reassigned by your own choice, or was that the PJ's decision at the time? And was it because essentially you were being challenged in so many cases?
It was the PJ's decision.
Mm-hmm.
The quantity of challenges at given times can affect how effective you can be as a judge in a department where you're getting a lot of challenges. If the public defender has a policy of challenging blanketly, and 90% of the lawyers you see on the defense side are public defenders, there's going to be an impasse, and we all recognize that. And that did occur toward the end of my term at the Hall.
And were you disappointed or relieved by the transfer?
People ask me whether I like civil trials better than criminal, and that's really another aspect of the question. The fact is that they are very different. The criminal bar, both prosecution and defense, has a great advantage over the civil bar. They are in court all the time, day in, day out. Trials are not a rare occurrence. And hearings before trial are not a rare occurrence. They're every day for almost everyone in the public defender's office and most of the line people in the DA's office. What that does is give them a great facility and skill in doing their jobs well. Mm-hmm. So you have very effective lawyers who know how to present their case and know how to get it done and know how to keep the jury engaged. The civil side, you've got people who rarely try cases coming in with often considerably more complicated matters than you see in at least misdemeanor trials at the Hall. But they don't have the same facility in getting the job done, which raises different challenges. I enjoy both of those types of work for different reasons. So, in a sense, yeah, I was disappointed to leave the Hall, since I wasn't.